Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send Bitcoin from Changelly to another wallet. In order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Changelly application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, if you tap on the option of this cross icon or this trade option here in the bottom, you will notice that this platform is going to give you only three options: buy, sell, and exchange. You are not going to get the option of sending your Bitcoin from Changelly to another wallet directly. So here among the given options, simply tap on the option of buy. Over here, enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase BTC or any other cryptocurrency of your choice. So since we are talking about Bitcoin, you just have to simply select it, then press next step here in the bottom. Now it is going to ask you to provide the destination address. So you need to provide the another wallet address of yours over here in which you want to basically get your Bitcoin from Changelly. After that, you just have to confirm your transaction and conclude it. Once your transaction is done, you will be able to send your Bitcoin from Changelly to another wallet of yours. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.